Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts in WordPress, the complete guide. Whether you're managing a blog, business site, or content calendar, scheduling your posts can save you time and keep your audience engaged automatically. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and make your content go live at the perfect time. Let's dive in. First, head over to your WordPress homepage, click the login button at the top right corner. For a secure and fast login, select Continue with Google. Make sure you choose the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This way, you're ready to manage your content without any hassle. Once you're logged in, go to the Post menu. Here, you can view all your existing posts or make changes to them. To create a new post, click Add New. This opens the post editor where you can add your title, content, images, and other elements to make your post engaging and ready for your audience. Now comes the scheduling part. In the post editor, look for the Publish panel on the right-hand side. By default, it's set to immediately, but you can click on this to open the scheduling options. Choose the exact date and time you want your post to go live. Don't forget to check the time zone to ensure your post reaches your audience at the right moment. Once your date and time are set, click the schedule button at the top right. And that's it. WordPress will automatically publish your post at the scheduled time, freeing you up to focus on other tasks. You can schedule as many posts as you like in advance, keeping your site active and consistent without having to be online all the time. And there you have it. Scheduling posts in WordPress is that simple. By planning ahead, you can maintain a consistent content strategy, save time, and engage your audience effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a guide like this. Thanks for watching and happy posting.